Hello everyone, and welcome to Nutrition 101 Online for summer 2018. My name is Dr. Laura Hutchinson-Christoph, and I'll be your guide for this course. So as you can see here in Moodle on the upper topic, you can see that each week I'll be releasing a new module for you to work on, and modules include the following: some reading assignments, a PowerPoint presentation outlining the assigned readings and lecture presentations for each chapter, a chapter outline summarizing the assigned reading, a video message from me. This is your first one. I typically post them on Monday mornings, but you're getting this on Sunday evening. Your Wiley Plus chapter assignments and a discussion question, as well as any instructions for homework and/or exams due the following week. You can see up here I've posted a few things that I want you to get started on. The first one, introduce yourself. Make sure you include your name, your major, where you're from, something interesting about you, and upload a picture or a video that's meaningful to you and discuss why. You can also use this forum to ask any questions you have at this time, and make sure to respond to at least one other classmate's post. I've also posted some extra video links to each chapter that might be helpful as you go through the book. And this is your Wiley log-on for Nutrition 101. So as you can see here, what you're going to do to get to all of your quizzes and homework assignments, as well as your exams, you're going to be registering for my course. So you'll find your course by using this course ID. And then you either have a registration code already that you've purchased at the bookstore. You can also purchase instant access by just using your credit card, and it might be a little less expensive than the bookstore, so it's up to you to take a look at that. Or if you're just not sure what type of book you want to purchase, whether you want a hard copy or just the instant access, you can have a grace period of 2 weeks. I posted all assignments as well, so if you can get through the course super quickly, then you can use that grace period option as well for this summer. Just make sure you log on to Wiley as soon as possible, because as you'll see on the syllabus, you'll have a number of assignments due, in this first week. So what you're going to be doing is, first this week, you want to read the syllabus. This is going to give you all the information about the course. Next, follow the instructions to log on to Wiley Plus, as I mentioned. This will give you access to the reading and iProfile, the diet analysis program that we're going to use throughout the semester. I'll talk through iProfile in a few days once you're all acclimated to Wiley Plus and Moodle, so we're just doing a couple things at a time. And then this week we're going to discuss the following. So you have a discussion on Module 1. You have chapters 1 and 2 on Wiley Plus that will be due on Saturday night. You have chapters 1 and 2 summaries, videos, and PowerPoints. You'll want to make sure that you're watching all of the videos, reading through all the content, both on Wiley Plus and on Moodle. And then homework 1 is going to be due on June 18th, and I'll be posting another email and short video a little bit later this week to give you an understanding of what those diet analyses look like. If we click on the syllabus, you can see that although I don't have office hours, I do hold appointments for office hours. I'll be on campus typically on Wednesdays and Thursdays, so if people are on campus and want to come meet with me, you definitely are welcome to. You can see the textbook required is Visualizing Nutrition 4th edition. You can get that through the bookstore, or you can get that through the online access that I mentioned previously in this little video. Attendance policy, you must log in weekly to Moodle. If you fail to log into Moodle or complete assignments over a 7-day period, you will be removed from the class. When we look at the amount of percentages that each component of the course is due, you can see discussions are worth 10%, homework is worth 30%, quizzes 25%, midterm exam 15%, and final exam 20%. And a description of the quizzes, homeworks, exams, and discussions are listed below. You can also see a course outline on the next page, which gives you an overview of chapters 1 through 9, which we'll be covering in this class, and their learning objectives. And lastly, you can see that there is a schedule for quizzes, exams, homeworks, etc., etc. And you'll see that this class goes on a pretty quick pace, and then I give you, an extra week to make up any work that you might need to make up. Now, typically, I open this course one module at a time. However, I've chosen to open all modules for this class this summer based on some feedback last summer that people wanted to go a little bit more quickly. The only things that are not posted right now are your midterm and your final. So if you decide you want to go through class a little bit quicker, if you are going on a vacation and need to finish up a section a little bit early so then you're not trying to play catch up when you come back, you can see that everything is posted. Modules 1 through 6, and Module 6 is really just any makeup type of work. But you can see here everything is posted throughout the semester, so just go ahead and take a look at all of this. Let me know if you have any questions, and I really look forward to working with all of you this semester. Have a great day, everyone, and I look forward to seeing your discussions this week.